Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator, using its colors, shows us the market trend, and with this white line it also indicates the overbought and oversold areas, in such a way that when this white line is above 80, it indicates overbought areas, and when it is below 20, it indicates oversold areas. Also, when the area behind...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Behind this line, which is specifically marked in green and red colors, is red, it indicates a downtrend, and when it is green, it indicates an uptrend. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the start period of this indicator, and the next option is the end period of the indicator. For example, when this number is set to 6, and this one to 48, it means that it uses data from 6 candles ago up to 48 candles ago in its calculations. The next option is the number of candles in the charts past on which the calculations are performed. The following option is the width of these lines that we're using here as trends, which can be set to a value between 1 and 5, with 1 being the thinnest. We can also specify the color for both the upward and downward trends. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.